Blender for beginners, from first click to finished renders. Too many buttons, too many panels, and your cube just vanished. Perfect. Take a breath. This book is the calm roadmap that turns panic into practice and practice into results. No fluff, just a clear path from your first camera move to confident renders and simple animations. We start by making Blender feel friendly. You'll learn navigation, object versus edit mode, and camera control so you stop fighting the interface and start building. Then we tune the workspace to you. Status bar, sensible workspaces, and the properties panel as your mission control. So you'll always know where to tweak renders, world, and modifiers. The goal is steady progress, not random clicking. We build the everyday toolkit, extrude, inset, bevel, loops, knife, clean fills, and symmetry. This will keep scenes tidy with the outliner and reuse parts through a simple asset library. It is practical, it is clean, and it scales from the first props to full scenes. Materials start with principled BSDF and PBR maps. Node Wrangler keeps setup quick, while a touch of ambient occlusion adds depth. UVs stop being scary, seams and sharp where they matter, projections that suit the shape, and atlases or trim sheets when you want efficiency. You will understand why a material looks good, not just how to plug it in. We like artists and render like adults. You'll learn samples, light paths, denoise and portals for clean results without guesswork. Then we put it to work in real scenes. An isometric room for warm, cozy, indoor lighting, and an Aztec night setup to explore moody, readable darkness, with a cinematic finish in compositing. Keyframes, interpolation, motion blur, and shape keys give you the movement that reads. We go hands-on with a fancy keychain and floating crystal, using inverse kinematics for believable weight and swing, then polishing the timing so it feels just right. Simple, clear steps you can reuse in your own shots. You will meet geometry nodes the friendly way. We build a brick wall generator with exposed controls, non-destructive, reusable, and perfect for iterating on scale, variation, and layout without remodeling. It is procedural power without the headache. We keep things brisk under the hood, scene instancing, sensible subdivision, and remeshing where it pays off. You'll learn when to simplify, when to bake, and how to keep frame rates and memory happy while the art stays sharp. Beginners who want a smooth, on-ramp, self-taught, artists who want cleaner workflows, and environment builders who want reliable, production-ready, friendly habits. If you want one trusted guide from first click to finished work, this is it. Turn the page, open Blender, and let us build something amazing today.